Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so I wanted to pick up again with some examples of what we covered in Ayah 6 about the word sawa. So I have a couple of examples here. One of them here is in Surah Al-Ankabut, um, uh, and that. Oh, actually, that was the wrong one. Sorry. The example here is actually in Surah Al-Tur. So here in Ayah, if we look at Ayah number 16, what happens is the we had the we had sawa'un alayhim in Surah Al-Baqarah, and then the conditions came after the sawa'un alayhim. But here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts the conditions before that word. I wanted to just show how sawa'un is used in another circumstance. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says islawha fasbiru أو أو لا تصبروا سواء عليكم. So you can see here سواء عليكم comes after the condition. So the condition is إصلوها. So إصلوها, if we covered Salah in ayah number 2 or 3 in Surah Al-Baqarah, where it means to enter. So here it's a command, and if you remember from Surah Al-Fatiha, if you have the last letter as a mud letter of the 3-letter root, and which is what it is here, Sad, Lam, Waw. So when you give a command, you drop the mud letter if it's the last letter of the 3-letter root. So now Allah Subhanahu wa Taala is giving a command to the second person plural. So we have to add a waw at the end, and an alif. So that's why he's saying slow. So you drop the it would be isla, but then when you drop the alif, then you retain the fatha on the middle mnemonic. So it becomes islawha, and then he's talking about the fire. So that's why it's feminine. Ha is being attached to a feminine suffix pronoun. So then he says fasbiru أو لا تصبروا. But don't worry if you don't catch all the intricacies of the ayah. I just wanted to show how the sawa'an is used. So fasbiru is another command. It's saying so be patient, or oh la tasbiru, oh don't be patient. It's the same for you in the hellfire, as he's talking about the people that enter the fire. Sawa'un alaykum. So it's the same, sawa'un alaykum. There's the same meaning. And then the last part of it is innama tujzawna ma kuntum ta'malun. You're being given what you used to do. So that's the example from Surah Al-Tur. And also, I wanted to just say another thing about another example in Ayah. If we look at Ayah 20, which I had mentioned in Surah Al-Baqarah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving here a command to the Prophet, فذكر فما أنت بنعمة ربك بكاهن مجنون. So he's saying that, so remind them, because you are not a storyteller, and you are not crazy. But then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala follows this ayah 29 in Surah Al-Tur with 15 examples of how to use means or. So if you remember in ayah 6, we also used like أنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم. But here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses it 15 times. So let's stop there.